Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Dosam Maker Machine. The Euro Cuisine CM20 electric crepe maker is a versatile tool for making crepes, pancakes, and dosas with ease. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even heat distribution and effortless food release. Adjustable temperature control allows precise cooking for golden crepes or crispy dosas. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to store and perfect for any kitchen. Quick to heat, it saves time while delivering consistent results. The included batter spreader helps achieve thin, smooth crepes like a pro. Durable and easy to clean, it's built for everyday use. Elevate your breakfast or dessert creations with this reliable electric crepe maker. Electric Hot Pot. The Nikai Kitchen Electric Hot Pot is an excellent addition to any culinary enthusiast's kitchen, offering a versatile cooking solution for various dishes. With a capacity of 1.8 liters, this sleek and elegant cooker is ideal for individuals or small families. Its gold cover not only adds a touch of elegance, but also integrates well with most kitchen aesthetics. One of the standout features of this electric hot pot is its ease of use. The simple controls allow users to adjust the temperature to suit various cooking methods, whether steaming vegetables, preparing broth for hot pot, or simmering other delicious dishes. It effectively retains heat, ensuring your meals are cooked thoroughly and efficiently. Weighing in at just 1.15 kilograms, approximately 2.52 pounds, the hot pot is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient for stovetop cooking or serving directly at the dining table. The compact dimensions of 16.06 by 8.6 by 5.98 inches ensure that it fits comfortably in any kitchen space without taking up too much room. Electric Griddler. The electric ceramic titanium griddle offers a durable and efficient cooking surface for all your meal needs. Its ceramic titanium coating ensures even heat distribution and a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. The large, flat surface is perfect for pancakes, eggs, bacon, and more, ideal for family breakfasts or gatherings. Adjustable temperature controls allow precise cooking for various dishes. The removable drip tray collects excess grease, promoting healthier cooking. Stylish and easy to maintain, this griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan set offers durability and versatility for everyday cooking. This two-piece set includes 8-inch and 10-inch pans, perfect for sautéing, frying, and more. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum, these pans are scratch-resistant and built to last. The non-stick interior ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, while being safe for metal utensils. Tefal's signature thermospot technology indicates when the pan is preheated and ready to cook, ensuring perfect results every time. The riveted silicone handles provide a comfortable, secure grip and remain cool on the stovetop. Oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, these pans offer added cooking flexibility. Their lightweight yet sturdy design makes them easy to handle and maneuver. Compatible with all stovetops except induction, this set is ideal for any kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience with the Tefal Ultimate Nonstick Fry Pan Set. Grain Dispenser. The grain dispenser with 360-degree rotation offers a convenient way to store and access your kitchen staples. Featuring 6 individual grids, it keeps grains, cereals, and snacks organized and fresh. The rotating design allows easy selection without hassle, saving time and effort. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's perfect for maintaining a tidy pantry. Simplify meal prep and storage with this versatile and space-saving food dispenser.